Hi there! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to give multiple users access to your TenantCloud account and manage their permissions step by step. Let's get started. To add a new admin or team member, go to Settings. Find the Team Management section and select Roles and Permissions. Next, click the Invite Team Member button and enter the admin's contact information. Then, select the property or properties you want to assign them to. Once everything looks good, click Send Invitation. Your team member will automatically receive an email with a link to create a password and join your account. Now it's time to decide what your team member can do. Select View if you want them to only access and view information without making any changes. You can also choose Manage if you want them to create, edit, or delete account details. Once you've set the right level of access, click Update. You can always make changes to this section by clicking the Permissions button. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your account with a team and customize their permissions with ease. Happy renting with TenantCloud. Thanks for watching!